I am making a sewing box for my wife, and I need a latch for the drawer. Since I haven't used any metal on this box so far, I decided to make it out of wood. This is an unfortunate camera angle. It looks like my finger is dangerously close to the blade, but it is not. I ended up recutting these three spindle pieces. It was too short. I know my techniques in turning on the lathe needs work. However, I am learning and I am getting more comfortable with it. I wanted to clean up the ends of this piece because it's going to be a freestanding piece. So I wrapped it in a towel so I could put it in the chuck without marring it up. It was kind of hard getting it to be center, but it worked out in the end. I guess I could have chucked it up with the Jacobs chuck or on the drill press, but I didn't think of it at the time. Here I'm cutting off the bracket that it will be attached to the box that the pin will be inserted into. I will do some shaping off camera since everybody loves to watch sanding. This part is in a strange place, and the only way I could think of clamping it was using tape. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.